Okay, here's my monkey and me. Now we are here to show you that how you can detect changing image with ESP32-CAM module and capturing it, then sending changing image via Telegram bots. Additionally, how to add buzz sound to your detection. Here is the buzzer, and here are two copper wires. And hardware looks like this. To make it smaller, attach your buzzer to back of your camera with electrical tape. Connecting buzzer to camera is very simple. You just need to connect the buzzer's long stick with IR13 and the buzzer short stick with GND via two copper wires. Now, step-by-step explanation, I'm going to show how the process works. Let's create a bot in Telegram. Type bot father start command, then type new bot, and give a name to your bot. Telegram will give you a bot token, keep it, we will communicate by it. Also your chat ID required. Search for user info bot. Type start to get your ID. Now you have both. Later on, we're gonna submit those ID and token to our Python code, which is given in the description by GitHub link. Next big step is how to activate our camera. First, you need to download Arduino IDE to use ESP32-CAM. After, you need to install the ESP32 board manager and the required camera libraries. Make sure to select the correct board, AI Tinker, ESP32-CAM and your COM ports. Once the camera code is uploaded, you will see an IP address in your serial monitor. This IP is your camera's home address. We'll use it to bridge the gap between the hardware and our Python script. Now let's talk about the intelligence behind the eyes. We are using OpenCV in Python to constantly compare frames. If the pixels change beyond a certain threshold, the system realizes something is moving. It immediately saves the moment, zips it off to your Telegram chat, and signals the ESP32 to sound the alarm. Let's see in real life. As you can see, while camera detects movement, it buzzes, and it sends detected photos via Telegram. One final pro tip. To keep the connection stable and avoid the pesky error 138, make sure your USB cable is short, high quality and having strong Wi-Fi connection. And don't forget to keep your Python code and camera on the same local network. You got the hardware, you got the logic, and you got the power to secure your space. Don't forget to check the GitHub link in the description for the full source code. Hit that subscribe button and let me know if you're interested in this project down in the comments. Thanks for watching and keep building.